It is the fifth day of the Lunar New Year and the stock market closed higher on its first trading day. Meanwhile, more than 90,000 mainland travellers came to Hong Kong during the Lunar New Year holiday. Memo Singhai reports.
After the Lunar New Year break, the Hong Kong market opened higher by 341 points before expanding to over 400 points before the lunch break, hitting a 9-month high on the benchmark Hang Seng Index. The index eventually rose to 22,566 points, with market turnover at $119 billion. After a difficult year, the CEO of the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong said it has confidence that the city can attract more capital.
In just the couple of weeks that we had before the Chinese New Year's, we saw 10 IPOs. And there's about 100 IPOs that are still waiting to be issued. So what we are hoping is that with the new global environment, with a much more healthy and optimistic view around the reopening after COVID, this should generate quite a bit of enthusiasm. So we're excited about what the future brings.
Meanwhile, Immigration Department figures showed more than 90,000 mainlanders had visited Hong Kong in the last 7 days. Many of them like to go shopping, such as at Canton Road in Tsim Sha Tsui, where many luxury brands have branches. People could be seen queuing outside a luxury brand store, a scene that has not been seen for a long time. Some tourists bought their suitcases. This man said he will only stay in the city for 4 days and is prepared to spend over $100,000 on shoes and handbags. Although mainland tourists are returning to Hong Kong, the latest Consumer Confidence Index survey conducted by the Democratic Alliance for the Betterment and Progress of Hong Kong found the present conditions index of Hong Kong residents have fallen to a record low. That's as many residents feel their working conditions and financial situations have not yet recovered. But the Consumer Expectations Index and the Composite Consumer Sentiment Index have both increased, suggesting people have higher expectations for the city's economy. To reduce the economic burden on the public, the TVB suggests the coming government's budget could distribute consumption vouchers worth at least $5,000. Memo Singhai, TVB News.